As I read, think about the questions on your handout for this station. You will have to answer them in complete sentences once you have listened to the whole story. Barbara Jordan, A Powerful Speaker by Jayden Kirksey. Barbara Jordan was one of the greatest orators of our time. Her speeches helped many people understand the importance of equal rights. Barbara Jordan was born in Houston, Texas in 1936. Her father was a clerk and a former minister. Her grandfather, who lived with the family, was also a former minister. They taught Barbara how powerful and important words could be. And as a child, she also learned the value of a school education. She studied how to write and deliver speeches in debates. This experience helped her to become a successful lawyer later in life. Working for change. At the time, many rules discriminated against African Americans. Barbara wanted people to be treated fairly under the law. She ran for political office in 1966 and became the first African American woman ever elected to the Texas Senate. She was later elected to office in the U.S. House of Representatives in 1972. Presidents such as Lyndon B. Johnson and Jimmy Carter depended on Barbara's skills and knowledge. She became a powerful voice for justice and equality in our nation's government. Barbara left politics due to health reasons. Even when she relied on a wheelchair to get around, she continued to write and speak. She became a teacher to prepare others to carry on her message. 31 schools and universities awarded her honorary degrees to call attention to her achievements. Many of our nation's greatest orators today continue to honor her legacy. Conducting a survey. Barbara Jordan cared about people, and she wanted to know if people thought they were being treated unfairly. Surveys help people like Barbara Jordan and other politicians to know what the people they represent are thinking about and what might help them the most. Surveys are useful tools for finding out more about something. They can help us to discover opinions on important topics. Unlike facts, which can be verified or proven true, opinions are what somebody thinks, feels, or believes. Surveys play an important role in our government. You could even say that voting is kind of a survey. If you were running for class president, you might conduct a survey in your school to find out how students feel about a particular issue, such as raising money to buy books for the library or starting an online newspaper. In order to get the best results possible, you should interview a large number of students. Ask them simple, directed questions that can be answered with yes, no, or undecided. These kinds of questions will make it easier for you to record their answers. Now answer your questions on your Who Am I sheet. Number 1. What details tell you about Barbara Jordan as an orator? What main idea do you learn from these details? Number 2. What inferences can you make about Barbara Jordan's accomplishment on the first paragraph of page 157? You can back the video up to help you. Number 3. Is it a fact that Barbara Jordan was elected to the Texas Senate? How could you prove it?